Hello everybody, and I want to welcome you back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I want to welcome you. On this channel, we create things to not only encourage self-care, but to make it easier in maintaining it. Let's create together. Sugar is used in many scrubs because it is a natural exfoliant. It's very gentle on the skin, and it helps to break down impurities and clean out your pores. What you're left with then is nice, smooth skin, as it helps to remove dead skin. To make our scrub, you're going to need 2 ingredients. The third one is optional. You're going to need sugar, plain simple white sugar, and oil of your choice. I am using olive oil here, but any oil you have, sunflower, safflower, apricot kernel, grapeseed oil will do just as fine. The third ingredient, which is optional, is a scent. I am actually going to scent my scrub today, and I am using Japanese cherry blossom. So to begin, you're going to need a jar. Here I have a 250 ml glass jar and a measuring cup and something to stir. If you don't have a popsicle stick like I have on hand, a chopstick, even a spoon or a butter knife will be good as well. I know I have a glass jar here. If you're not comfortable with glass, by all means get a plastic container, which is actually better in the bathtub because I have had glass break on me in the bathtub in the past. So if you're not comfortable with glass, definitely get a plastic container. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to the bottom. And what that does is it ensures that the bottom part of our scrub also receives oil. That way it's not messy when I am stirring. Now I'm going to add our sugar. And I had to break my sugar down because it was sitting in my pantry. Feel free to get involved. Get involved with your project here. And here we go. We have our sugar with a little bit of oil at the bottom. So once we have our sugar in our container, we are going to add the rest of our oil. Just pour the oil on top. There you are. And you can add as much oil or as little oil as you would like. The key is to just get all the granules of sugar coated with oil. Just stir. Some people like their scrubs dry. Other people, like me, I like mine a little bit more emollient, a little bit oilier. So just carefully stir. If I show you on the side here, you will notice that it is all becoming combined. And if you notice the area where we put the oil initially, the sugar has all been combined with the oil there. So there you are. I am going to add a little bit more oil. And just stir. There you go. The third ingredient, which is absolutely optional, is a scent. So here you could use an essential oil or fragrance oil like I am using here. This is Japanese cherry blossom. Once again, you can make your scent as strong or as light as you would like. If you are going to be practicing layering, which is the same scent throughout your bathing process, so perhaps your shower gel is the same scent as your body scrub, is the same scent as your moisturizer, then you might want to go a little bit easier on your scent. But if this is your main source of scent, it's okay to make it a little bit stronger. So I'm adding here probably about 20 drops of Japanese cherry blossom. Once you have your scent added, just mix. And here we are. This is your sugar body scrub to exfoliate and reveal beautiful, smooth, radiant, glowing skin. To use your scrub, all you would do is just apply it to your body. I have a popsicle stick here because you don't want to place your wet hands into your scrub. You're going to get water in there, you're going to melt the sugar, and you might also make it prone to mold. So you want to use something to take your scrub, and you will take your scrub and apply it to your skin, and then you work circular motion. There you are. And just work it in. And once you rinse off the sugar, what you will be left with is just nice moisturized skin because of the oil, nice smelling skin if you added a scent, and smooth skin because the sugar would have served as an exfoliant. And there you are. This is your simple body scrub. 2 ingredients, third one optional. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, tap on that like button. While you're there, hit the subscription and click on that notification bell. Have a good one, and we'll create next time.